In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add initials in Adobe Sign. If you're someone who frequently deals with PDFs and needs to ensure documents are digitally signed, knowing how to add initials can save you a lot of time and ensure that all your required fields are completed accurately. We'll take you through the process in a matter of minutes so you can get back to what's most important. To start, you'll want to access a web browser of your choice. Whether you prefer Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, any modern browser will do just fine. Make sure your internet connection is stable for a smooth experience. Once your browser is open, head over to the Adobe Sign public login page by visiting secure.adobesign.com, public login. This is the gateway to accessing your Adobe Sign account, so feel free to bookmark this page if you'll be using it often. If you've utilized a social media platform like Google or Facebook to create your Adobe account, you'll notice convenient login options that correspond with these services. Simply click on the button that aligns with the account you used. This makes the login process quick and easy, without the need to remember an additional set of credentials. After signing in, you'll find yourself granted access to the wide array of products, services, and cloud storage that Adobe has to offer. This seamless integration allows you to work across different Adobe applications if needed. But today, we're focused on Acrobat. Navigate to Acrobat and look for an option that says Explore. This allows you to bring in the PDF you wish to work on. You can either upload a new file from your device or select from the ones you've previously used. This flexibility is great for handling multiple documents and ensuring that you can pick up right where you left off. Next, it's time to introduce the feature of eSign. On the left sidebar, you'll spot the option labeled eSign. Click on it, and you will see another menu pop up, offering various functionalities. Under Add Fields, you'll find the Initials option. Clicking on Initials will allow you to place this field wherever it's required in the document. Take a moment to customize this feature to fit the specific needs of your document. This might include adjusting the size, the font, or the placement of the initials field, ensuring it is clear and fits seamlessly into the document's layout. And there you have it, a simple yet essential process for adding initials to your PDFs using Adobe Sign. This functionality not only enhances the professionalism of your documents, but also ensures all parties involved can verify their agreement quickly and effectively. Thanks for watching, and feel free to drop any questions in the comments below.